Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on this device. So to record screen, you can just go to the control center here, and here you have the button screen recorder. By tapping on it, a recording will start. Let's record some of our screen. Hey, by tapping on this red button once again, you can stop recording. And you can find your recording in gallery in the screen recorder album. And here it is, our recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.